Toyota had to pay over $54,000 to Alex because his 2024 Tacoma screen kept going black. The engine hesitated every time he came to a stop. And when he told the dealership that his phone wasn't working, they told him to call Apple support. With our help, he got a full refund. And here's exactly how we did it and how you could also get the same result. If you know trucks, you know the Tacoma. Toyota has built its reputation on one word: reliable. The Tacoma has been the go-to mid-size truck for people who want something that starts every morning and never quits. Alex leased his 2024 Tacoma brand new in California. At over $500 a month, he was paying for the most dependable truck on the road. At least that's what Toyota promised. But before he hit 5,000 miles, he'd already been to the dealer 5 times. It started with the phone calls. Alex would be on a call through Apple CarPlay, and the person on the other end couldn't hear him. The dealer reconnected the microphone and said it was fixed. Then, the screen on his Tacoma started going completely black. Not once, 3 separate times across 3 different visits. He'd put the truck in reverse, and instead of a backup camera, he'd get a dead screen. He'd start the truck in the morning, and the entire display just wouldn't turn on. On top of that, the engine hesitated every time he came to a stop with the AC running. He brought it back again. The dealer couldn't reproduce the screen issue. For the radio problems, they had a different solution. Their repair order said, "Radio is operating as designed. Rec customer to verify setting for Apple CarPlay with Apple technical support." Here's what that really means. Read that again. Toyota built the infotainment system. Toyota integrated Apple CarPlay into the vehicle. Toyota sold him the truck with these features advertised on the Windows sticker. And when it didn't work, Toyota told him to call Apple. That's not a diagnosis. That's a deflection. The manufacturer doesn't get to sell you a feature and then blame someone else when it breaks. The problems kept stacking. The screen went black again on his 2024 Tacoma. The engine hesitation continued. He even took it to a second Toyota dealer and they called the hesitation normal for fuel economy. 5 visits under 5,000 miles. Nothing fixed. Meanwhile, Alex bought a Tacoma because of what Toyota stands for: reliability. The truck that never lets you down. Instead, he got a screen that went black when he needed his backup camera, an engine that hesitated in traffic, and a dealer that told him to call Apple for help with a Toyota. If Toyota can't stand behind the Tacoma, the one truck their entire reputation is built on, that tells you everything you need to know. Here's something dealers don't want you to know about California's lemon law. When the dealer tells you a defect is normal, or that it's a characteristic of the vehicle, or that you should call a third party for support, none of that changes your rights. The warranty covers what it covers. A dealer's opinion that your engine hesitation is normal for fuel economy doesn't make it true, and it definitely doesn't make it legal. If the defect is documented on a repair order, it exists. And if they couldn't fix it, that visit counts. Alex's 2024 Toyota Tacoma was dismissed as normal and operating as designed over and over. None of those excuses held up when we filed his case. When Alex reached out to us, we reviewed his repair records, built his lemon law case, and helped him file a claim against Toyota. The result? A full refund of over $54,000, including every payment, every fee, and every dollar that he put into that lease. The best part is he didn't pay anything out of pocket. All he gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. That's how we have helped thousands of California drivers, just like you, get their money back without paying a penny. If you think your car's the lemon, give us a call or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in just a few seconds.